What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Verasity and its recent price action. And make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. Only 20% of viewers are subbed, so please tap that red subscribe button. And we've had reports our content isn't being recommended to our subs at the moment, so please hit the bell icon and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for our continued support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, it looks as though things are going well for Verasity at the minute. We've obviously got this huge pump here. I think this was off the back of some news that Verasity was getting some new listings, I think on KuCoin Plus, and also an integration with I believe it was a game, potentially a gaming company, and also obviously esports integrations happening all the time. So if Verasity can really get these partnerships going in the mainstream, we do think this is going to be a top crypto. Obviously, we already think it has massive potential. It's already integrated with YouTube and Twitch, for example. And as you can see, it does look as though it's recovering quite nicely. It's currently trading at just under 2 cents here. It did run up all the way to around 2.7 cents here, as we can see. It's making a nice recovery, and it looks as though it's trading upwards in this kind of channel here that we're outlining. So things are looking quite good for Verasity right now. As we said, it had a very nice pickup. Obviously, got this very nice pump here all the way up to around 270. But it does look as though it got rejected off of this historical point of support and resistance here that we outlined before. There's a previous swing high here, and also this is a previous swing low where there was also a double bottom here, as you can see. So, and a historical level of support and resistance, and it seems as though Verasity did actually come up and bounce off of this pretty perfectly. And then we came back and traded downwards, and we were looking quite good, holding strong. But obviously, with the market-wide correction that we saw yesterday evening, I believe it was, or was it 2 days ago? It was essentially about 24 hours ago from now, as we can see. June the 4th at around 10 a.m. Obviously, we got this correction to the downside because Elon Musk tweeting up that he was potentially breaking up with Bitcoin. So the market naturally sold off because his word is law, apparently. So as we can see, we obviously got this sell-off. We flipped bearish on our EMAs, and it looks as though we're just starting to pick up off the bottom of the channel now and recover. Things are looking good for Verasity though. Something that we've been highlighting for basically all of our videos is that we're basically making higher lows and higher highs here. So the next move for Verasity, as we've been saying in most of our videos, is we really want to retest this level at around 2.5 cents here, and essentially break through it so we can make this next higher high. Things are looking good for Verasity though. In our opinion, this is a top project. It's going to do very well in the long term. Basically a hidden gem. I think its market cap's still less than 100 million. So there's a massive amount of room to grow as well. In our opinion, this is going to be a really big part of esports in the future. It's a good way for creators to monetize their content, and we know more than anyone that it's extremely hard to monetize your content as a content creator on YouTube and Twitch, etc. We know so many Twitch streamers that have been streaming for years and they still only have like 20 or 30 viewers. So it's really difficult to get yourself noticed on these platforms and actually make a living from these things. And quite a lot of people that would probably be really successful give up long before they actually give themselves a chance, because they just can't make enough money to actually do it. A lot of people go YOLO in and go full time, but quite often it's very difficult to actually make a living from these things unless you already have an established fan base. So it's really difficult to actually get these things monetized, and this is something that Verasity is designed to help with. Basically giving them an extra layer to monetize their content through NFTs and all kinds of other useful stuff that's coming soon with their portal. You can essentially just attach it to your stream or to your channel on YouTube, and it'll essentially give you another option for basically offering content to your supporters, and in return they can give you they can essentially gift you tokens or basically buy your stuff through the portal. So it's a very cool idea in our opinion. I'm sure if you're all searching for this price action, you probably know all about that, but we do like to give those people who have no idea what Verasity is a little overview. And as we can see, the price action looks as though it's recovering quite nicely. Obviously, we had this huge downwards momentum that we saw for the wider market. But there's not really much to say for Verasity, apart from the fact that it does look as though it's recovering quite well. As we can see, we're making higher lows and higher highs, which we think is critical. The next thing that we really want to see is breaking back past this 2.5 cent resistance, as we said. If we can do this, we do think that we're going to be looking very bullish, because obviously we'll probably come back down, retest some of these levels here, maybe as support or the bottom of the channel. And then if we can continue upwards, then it won't be too long before we're retesting some of these higher levels that we want to be seeing. But I do think if we can get back past, my goodness, this 2.5 cent resistance here, which is historically a very high level of support, then we're probably going to be golden for bouncing off that and for continuation. Obviously, it remains to be seen what's going to happen in the wider market, because that is going to be pretty much the most essential thing. But obviously, as we said, we're very bullish on Verasity, and obviously the short-term price action isn't very what you want to be seeing, but it does look as though we're starting to recover quite nicely, and obviously in the long term we do think Verasity is going to perform very well. So short-term price prediction, we definitely want to see Verasity getting above this 2.5 cent level. If we can get that A, B, C, D, and then the E wave here, basically above this 2.5 cent level, then we do think things are going to be basically looking golden for continuation. We'll probably bounce off this or maybe these levels here and then continue upwards. But if Bitcoin breaks out in a big way, we would expect most altcoins to be pumping as well, and we could actually see us breaking out of this channel if we start to see Bitcoin breaking out of the patterns that we're seeing it play out currently. So it remains to be seen what we'll see in the short term in the next week or so, but long term we do think Verasity has the potential to be well over $1 by the end of the bull run, which would be around a 50x from the current price, which is obviously a massive undertaking, but we do think that this is possible considering its market cap is so small, and considering the amount of use and adoption it's got currently, we do think that $1 is very possible. So obviously that is a big ask, but we do really think that this is going to be a top crypto in the future. It's got a huge amount of potential, got massive partnerships with YouTube and Twitch and Vimeo, so everything's looking good for Verasity. As long as it can keep its adoption curve going, we do think in the long term this is going to do very well. So that's our update on Verasity today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily crypto assets of massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get your 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each, but don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.